Technology and product development is all about making things better. You are evolving the status quo. You are making the world better and people's lives better. One of the problems I see is that product development professionals focus too much on demonstrating their new product is better than their competition's. When product development professionals think in terms of how much better is my new cool thing compared to the status quo, they are really missing the real question that they need to be answering. In this video, I will explain the real question all product development professionals must answer when developing new products and new technologies. I'm Eric Johannes, and I teach product development professionals skills that accelerate their growth. This is the stuff I wish I had known when I started my career. So welcome to Product Development Career Secrets. Every product development journey starts with an idea of how to make something better in some way than it is today. The first challenge is to get a really clear understanding of what needs to be better. It's often an attribute like cost, efficiency, size, weight, noise level maybe, or even usability of the product. Now, fortunately, very often there is only one or maybe two attributes that the end user is looking to be better. Not everything has to be made better. For example, people may want a phone with a larger screen so they can see more detail in the videos they watch and the web pages that they surf. All the other product attributes can stay the same, and the customer's going to be happy. They just want a bigger screen. Now, the real question, and I promise to explain this in this video, is how much better is my new product compared to the minimum amount of better that will cause people to take action and buy my new thing. This is the adoption hurdle. Better may not be better enough. You must be better by more than the adoption hurdle. If you don't focus on understanding the adoption hurdle, the size of that adoption hurdle, you can spend a lot of effort, money, time, attention, yet nobody will want your new product or your new technology. If you focus on surpassing the adoption hurdle, then customers, partners, top job candidates, investors, they'll all want to engage with you. Now, here's an example. People are not going to change their mobile phone for a screen that is only 5% larger. There's too much friction in the change for only 5% more screen. Learning a different OS, the process of transferring all my data, re-signing into all of my apps. I hate that part. Not to mention that painful process of trying to understand my new service contract when purchasing the phone. Nope. Unless that screen is 40% bigger and the correct aspect ratio, I'm sticking with what I have. It's plenty good enough. So that's the way people think. Now, here's a little bonus for you. Once you get this mental model, you can apply this to all parts of your life. You're going to be more productive because from day one, you'll be really focused on the real question. So here's some simple examples. When presenting an idea to your manager or your teammates about changing something in your work processes or your team's work environment, be clear about the highest value attribute of your processes in your environment and how much better your solution needs to be for others to want to quickly adopt it. They're not going to adopt your idea if it doesn't meet their adoption hurdle. Another example, you want to vacation somewhere different than your kids do. Determine the one or two joys they are looking forward to. How much more of that joy do you need to present so that they're going to overcome any friction and immediately be on board with your idea, your new vacation location? Okay, so in summary, for your solution to be adopted, it must improve the key attribute by more than the adoption hurdle. For people to want to take the actions required to adopt your solution. Now, in the comments, tell me an attribute you're working on. What's an attribute you need to improve? And what is the adoption hurdle that you're facing? Now, get more free product development career secrets at productdevelopmentcareersecrets.com. Now, go create some value for others.